Hi, welcome back to this video. So in this video, we are going to see how to apply the group by functions in the data frames. So again, we are going to import the pandas library and I'm going to read the data from this Excel file. Yep. So now I want to see the product lines and I want to see the count of these products like books, electronics, others, music, video on demand, etc. So let me hide this window and I'm going to apply the group by function here. Write the data frame name, that is data, enter the column name that you're looking for, that is the product line, say dot value underscore counts. This will actually group the product line and give the total counts for each of the group. So this is the output that we have. For books there are 970 and for MP3 it is 80 and things like that. So let me do a similar kind of a product for the seller. Data, the column name is seller dot value underscore counts. So this groups up by the seller. So we have Amazon and third party. In Amazon we have 940, whereas for third party it is 434. So before applying the group by, it's very important to get the column names. Yeah. So how to get the column name? It's very simple. Data, the data frame name dot column. So run. You will be able to get the list of columns. Yeah. So now we are going to group by the product line as well as the seller, and we are going to get the total price. Okay, so enter the data frame name data dot group by, and first thing first, the group by, it goes the list of the fields that we're looking for, that is the group by columns. So going to give the list. So you know how to enter the list of columns, right? So product line is the first column and the second column I'm going to get is for seller. Yeah. So what I'm going to group by? I'm going to group by the product line and on the seller. And what is that product line and seller? Is nothing but your dimension, and you're going to apply sum on the measure. Your measures are nothing but your price, revenue, referral fees. So these are the measures in this particular data frame. So enter the list of columns that has the measure. In this table we are looking for price and we want the sum. So sum parenthesis. So we are going to do the group by on the product line and on the seller, and we are going to get the price as sum. Let's run this. See, so this is the product line and these are the sellers, and apparel and accessories sold in Amazon as well as in the third party, and this is the total sales of the apples and accessories and whatever the money that is there. So if we want to interchange this group by, Yes, we can do. So just reorder this column names. You should be able to achieve that. Yeah. So let me run this. So first it groups by the seller and then the product line, and you'll be able to get the sum of the prices. So this is how we are going to apply the group by in the data frame. Catch you in another video. Have a good time. Bye.